Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Black Shark 5 smartphone, and in today's video we would like to share the top 3 widgets for this device. So first of all, you would like to make the shrink and swipe just like so in order for this additional home screen options in menu to be launched. Next, tap on this widgets icon. And in here you'll have all the widgets that are currently available to you that are divided into convenient categories. So the first widget is located at the clock category. In here there are plenty of designs to choose from, to be honest with you. I'll go with the one that contains not only time but the brief weather data as well, and add it at my main home screen. In order for it to show weather, let's set the weather application up real quick. I'll enter what city I'm currently at. And once I select it, as you can see, this widget shows the brief weather data right here. The second widget that we would highly recommend that you add is located at the notes category of widgets, and as you could already guess, it will contain the brief note shortcut. Choose the design that you like the most, or should I say not design but rather the size of the widget. I'll go with the smallest one and place it right here. Or I could obviously not, since there were not enough space, so I'll drop it to another home screen, right here for example. This widget allows you to, create some note, for example, and have it at your home screen. Therefore, if you would like to note something important and be able to see it each time you are opening the home screen, we highly recommend that you try adding this widget. Alrighty, and the third widget that we would highly recommend that you add is located at the Google category. So let's find it, and it's a very convenient Google search bar, which allows you to have a quick access to the Google search engine. Let's resize it a little bit to make it fit the screen better. Just like so. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.